guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another Halloween makeup tutorial. So I thought I would do something different. So it is half and half, which you probably can already tell. Half skeleton, half pumpkin. So if you want to know how I got this, then keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to use is a black paint, and I'm going to draw lines right down the middle so I can separate each thing so they don't collide. I know some of it wasn't really straight, but you get the gist. So now we're moving on to the orange Jaju paint, and I'm doing one side of my face orange, like so. If you see me looking down, it's because I've got a mirror there. So I'm just plastering it all over my face, like so, making sure that everything is covered, like so. We're moving on to the white paint, Jaju, and we're going to do the other side of it. Beautiful. And here is the fast mood. There we go. Fast, fast, fast. So fast. Because I don't think you lot want to sit here and watch me do it, so I've done it in a fast motion. Watch me go. Now we are going to move on back to the black paint, and we are going to draw the nose. With the pumpkin and the skull, they've got similar nose, so it was so much easier for me to do. It might look a little bit wonky, but hey, it's Halloween. Who says it's got to be perfect? So that's what I'm going to do. Just draw the line for the nose. Now we are drawing the line of the skull, the mouth. Again, everyone has it different, but I'm doing it like this, like I've got a hollow cheek, like so, and then I'm going to do the lines on the skull bit, like so. Making sure everything is in line, then do the lips. So now we're going to move on, and I'm going to get a sponge and I'm going to dab it around my eye. I thought this would be such an easier way to do it, and it looks more effective. Again, it goes everywhere, but don't you worry, I sorted out. Like so. And there's the finished two eyes. So now we are going to move on with the black again, but we are going to do the pumpkin mouth. So I'm just going to do like squares, if you want to call them, down my face. Again, it's not that easy, but we do try. Like so. Look at that, spooky. So now we're going to move in with the black eyeshadow, and we're just going to touch up the black, but we're going to do the lines first of the pumpkin, like so. I'm not going to put too much black on it. I don't want it to be so thick. I want it to be like fading so it looks better. So we're just going to do a down look. So just gently press on it and then go down like so. And then just carry on until your face is all done. And there you have it, the skull/pumpkin Halloween makeup look. Whoop whoop. So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you did, give it a big massive thumbs up and subscribe down below. Give me some love and I will see you again next time, my little buff flyers. Bye bye. Happy Halloween.